Joe Like a Fish here, bringing you another video about nature. Whoa, is that legendary scientist Cooper Bob?
Looks like you found some facts.
Wow, he's so amazing! Let's go interview him. Mr. Legendary Scientist Cooper Bob.
Out of here! Get away!
No! He's Cooper Bob. He's on a rampage. We have to call the fire department. He's on a rampage. Hello, 911. I got legendary scientist Cooper Bob. We have to get into the secret bunker. He'll never get us inside the secret bunker. Bunker. He's gone rogue. He's coming. Help me. Whoa, he's got a super secret. He's got a safety helmet on in bright neon yellow. It protects him from his unknown scientific experiments. His experiments can come so easy. That's why. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god! Kill yourself, kid!
What are you? Sorry for those technical difficulties. We were having some strange time with legendary Dr. whatever his name is. Oh my gosh! He's coming! Is he? Where is he? Oh, this is creepy. Well, oh my gosh. What was that sound? Is this terror? I have no idea what that sound is. I bet it's the evil snitch snatcher of 23. He's 20. He's not in there. Okay. Oh my god! And now for a commercial break.
Buy this chalk. It's fun with a little Hamley. I'm having so much fun. I'm gonna kill you now, kids.
Wait. Can we be rational about this?
Why? What do you mean rational?
Like, can we talk about this?
No!
You missed.
I'll actually hit you.
Ah! He actually hit me. Such torture to this little boy. Ah!